bottom, by the slough.
Okay.
Start trying like squeaking.
I'm going up, but it's not very nice.
Okay, take him.
Nice. Conservation land here in Alberta are a little overpopulated. We mange on this one. It's always best to keep on that conservation and keep at her. Got a cut line here. I'm really hoping, because there's kind of fresh tracks probably from last night going up this hill. Look like a bunch of them. That worked out good. Put him down right there. Awesome. Well, another one down. Self-filmed. Nice big female. Nice prominent stripe on her. Really nice coat. Called this one in with rabbit distress. So sweet. Let's get to the next one.
Oh, there he is, Captain, coming in. Right on the hill. You guys should call to him. Oh, looks like he's gonna mouse. That's neat, watching him mouse. But I caught him on that second one good.
Well, that coyote came in perfect. Just up over the hill. Come in, started mousing right in front of us. We howled a couple times, and I think that's why it moved into the area. And it was there for 10 minutes, and you could tell it started getting a little nervous. And so we decided that we better take it. It wasn't going to come in any closer. All in all, it was a great hunt. Most times, all you have to do is wait them out, and they'll show up. So stick at her, and soon you'll be able to control the adrenaline.